I'm Dr. Spiker Davis. I'm a cosmetic dentist. I'm an old dental lab technician, and I'm a digital smile designer. And I wanted to talk to you today about one of the most complicated and most fun and most exciting cases that I've done in years. And I wanted to show you this guy. This is his before picture. And in this particular case, he had worn his teeth dramatically. And as your teeth wear down, your chin and nose get closer together. And when they get closer together, you start to get wrinkles on the side. So what we needed to do was restore his entire mouth. And to do that, we needed to open things back up so that he could get his chin down to where it used to be. So when you move over to here, we created an entirely different look, and we call it a dental facelift, but look at the difference in the wrinkles. They're almost gone. And the reason they're gone is because we opened his bite up, or opened his lower jaw, and then we built the teeth back to what they used to be like years ago before he wore them down. So now he's younger, he's happier looking, and he smiles with confidence and enthusiasm. I love that.